So I will tell you, these photographs that they took do not do justice for the house. This house is obviously got high ceilings in it. You can just look over there. We're gonna walk in now. So walking up to the house, carriage house is over here to the left. And the big house. Just had it painted a year ago with what they call rain wash paint. Where it rains, it washes the paint. Kind of cool. So I mean, look at that. That's pretty good height. Brick paved porch. And going in the front door. So this is our entry. I usually like to go right first, so we'll go right first. This has to be the master. And it's got 2 sinks. And the John. Ceilings look good. He built this 8 years ago. And one walk-in closet. Okay, so we're stepping out of the master bedroom and we'll do the first floor first. So I'm walking down the hallway. You can see here there's a screened in porch, pool deck, and according to the owner, it's a really big pool. Living room. So here we have a half bath. Yeah, you're gonna need to do some spiffing it up. But you know, it's got some pretty good bones. Gas stove, lovely. We've done a few of these, haven't we? So just for discussion, that is not a 6'8" door, that is an 8-foot door. And I'd have to say, that's 24 inches. Although I tell my wife, this is 24 inches. You know what I mean? Oh. Start again. That's the foyer light. Going up the steps. Interesting. So this looks like a computer area, TV area, kids living area, but they put bunks in here. My thinking is they're marketing it as a vacation rental. So now we've got another bedroom. Now this is a big bedroom with lots of windows looking out towards the Gulf. Beautiful sliding glass doors, really heavy duty. I can't open them. But there they are. Nice wide timbers. Overhang's good. So maybe this is a master or a guest room, playroom. They like putting couches in all the bedrooms, it seems. This bedroom also has a kitchenette. Yeah, this must be the master that's upstairs. Technically, I'd say this has two masters. I'd say this is the nicer appointed master. It's clean. The house is really clean. And off the master bedroom, access to the balcony. We are nice and close to the beach. Leaving the master bedroom, walking into the common area. So we always go right. Let's see what this is. Okay, mechanicals. All nice and clean in there. Guest bedroom number 1. It's nice that they actually went 10 foot up on the second floor too. You know, some people skimp and do the 9 foot on the second floor. Nice sized closet. I'd say someone's got a lamp fetish. Look at all those lamps. Wow. Okay. Leaving bedroom guest bedroom number 1. Shared guest bath. It's nice. Nice flooring. Okay, guest bedroom number 2. So these 2 bedrooms are essentially the same size. And looks out over that pool. That is a big pool. Oh, there's the neighbor's house. That's a cutie too. Okay. A different closet. Let's see if this is a walk-in. No. Huh. More lamps. All right, that's bedroom number 3. And finally, the laundry room on the second floor. And we're back into that common room. Now we're going to go over to the carriage house. I'm going to walk around the pool first. Okay, remember that screened-in porch I pointed to as we were going down the hallway? This is the screened-in porch. We step out here. It's the pool deck. I'll tell you, it's a whole lot nicer. A whole lot nicer than the pictures. So that's the gate that takes you back down to the driveway, the carriage house. The summer kitchen. That's probably one of them little fire things. And then he was telling me he's got this little fenced in area for the dogs. This guy really wanted his privacy. Look at these walls he built up. It's pretty nice. Let's go to the carriage house. So, this is the one-car garage. So it looks to me as though they have a big ass fence. So you can get out to your car privately. Nice little balcony. It's the neighbors. Okay, so now we're going to go into the carriage house. So it has the vaulted ceilings. Kitchenette. A little sitting area. And lots of natural light. Really, those are nicely raised ceiling. And the bed room. And the bathroom. So there you have it. 36 rolling dunes. Looks pretty good. Really nice. So I'll get this off to you shortly. Talk to you later. Bye.